Traders, since we started using our new indicators and strategy from mid-January, we've been making money for our customers. Scroll down and you'll see each week the result. This is actually copied and pasted from the MT4 account that I'm using. So if we go down, we can see we've had 6 winning weeks out of 7. And the end result on this account is 8R so far. This is our current week. We've still got, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Having a pretty good week this week so far, as you can see. Last week was a little bit slow. You'll have your ups and downs, but the main thing is every month we make money. And this is an invite for you to copy my trades automatically from Telegram. So here we are in Telegram. These are 100% copy friendly. So you can automatically copy these trades. Nothing for you to do. And the other benefit of joining us in VIP is the daily mentorship videos. There'll always be at least one a day. That lately I've been posting 2 a day, one through the Asian session and one into the London Open. Really valuable resource if you're looking to learn how to trade. So you can copy my signals automatically. If you go to my website, have a look at this link, TS Copier here. And when you scroll down, learn about TS Copier here. Watch the video. That's a full tutorial on how to set this up. As you scroll down, here's a couple of brokers that I recommend and steps on how to set things up. These are the settings that you can copy and paste into TS Copier, the program. And to get started, if you haven't already, click this link here to join. That will take you to my WAP landing page. Oh, there's a 10% offer. Click Get Access. Scroll down if you want to have a look at some more stuff. But once you click Get Access, come back in to the WAP page here and you click Telegram, auto copy our signals. Here's the resources on the left. So you click these links and you gain access. Now, if you want our indicators, if you scroll down, you'll see 2 options. One will be the silver plan and the other one will be the option to select our gold plan if you're looking to learn to trade and you want to get involved trading yourself. So guys, that's how to copy my signals automatically from Telegram into your MT4 or MT5 account. If you have any questions, reach out. There's links below. And with that, hope you have a fantastic day and I'll see you in the next one.